Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a SHEIN account? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first of all, simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever device you're using, and search for SHEIN. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on this application and then download and install this application right away. So once you've downloaded and installed this, simply go ahead and tap on open, and then you can simply go ahead and click on allow. And on the bottom right, as you can see, there is a me icon. So let me just go ahead and hit into the me icon right here on the bottom. So let me just collect all first. Now, as you can see, this is exactly where you can go ahead and click on me. Then all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on sign in/register, and then now simply go ahead and enter your email or phone number and then click on continue. It will ask you to create a password, and once you go ahead and create a password, it's going to ask you to verify your account. And once you've verified your account by getting the code and entering it back into the application, that is about it. Your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.